Hey guys, it's Kay, of course. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you a wig I was sent from MyFirstWigs. Just in case any of you guys are interested, check below in the description box. Now here I'm showing you construction. They sent me over this 10-inch bulb 13 by 6 wig. It is a Yaki texture. And if you don't know, MyFirstWigs already come equipped with the bleach knots and the pre-plucked hairline. So this is what the hairline looks like, or the wig look like, period, with the lace still on before I cut it off, just so y'all can like get a feel of what it looks like straight out of the packaging. And I love the length of this bulb. Now to apply this wig, I will be using my Got To Be glue and my Got To Be glue spray, and I'll link all the products that I use in my description box, you guys. But yeah, I'm not going to be talking through this part. Y'all already know. Y'all seen me do this so many times. But yeah, that's what I'm doing. I'll come back when I feel a need to talk again. And I do apologize for my shirt being black, y'all. I feel like because I wore a black shirt, this whole video is just dark. I eventually changed my shirt to a white shirt, which makes the hair and everything pop a little bit better, so you'll get to see it, you know, in its form. But yeah, I'm so sorry, y'all, because I was looking back at this like, oh, my shirt is dark, the hair is dark, it's just not given. But yeah, I did change my shirt, but it was definitely given when I put my whole outfit on. Hold on, let me show you. I don't know, is it just me, but it's something about wearing a bulb with all black, like, it does something to me, y'all. I don't know, maybe it's just me, but it definitely gives. This is my final look. The good thing about this wig, because it already comes pre-plucked and the knots already come bleached, you can actually wear this wig without baby hair, so it looks flawless, you guys. I definitely love it without the baby hair. But I am going to be styling this wig into kind of like a half up, half down, but I'm going to do like 2 space buns. And I found these like hair scrunchies from off of Amazon. I'll list them in my description box if anybody is interested. But I'm just letting you know, like, it's so much easier than adding hair to the hair, because it already comes with like hair on a freaking hair tie, like on a scrunchie. Oh my god, the best thing I've ever purchased. 22. Yeah, like, it was, how much did I pay for this? Like $13 for 2 of them. Oh my goodness, y'all. When I tell y'all, this little hair scrunchie thing is freaking amazing, and it just gave the look, like, it just did something to it. Y'all let me know what y'all think in the comment section down below. And like I said, if you are interested in these little hair scrunchies, definitely check my description box, because I'll leave links there. Okay, so this is the little headpiece that I was talking about, and it's so convenient not only for this style, but if you just wanted like a one ponytail thing. And I think the correct term for this is a messy bun scrunchie, if I'm not mistaken. But literally, y'all would think I wrapped some hair around this ponytail or something to get this look, and I didn't. I'm sorry, this was a quick cheat, but it was so worth it, I promise you. But look how it just hyped the style up a little bit more. Like, it's cute, I like it. And I do show you this style with the baby hair, with baby hair, and without baby hair. It's optional, I promise you. The baby hair to me just spices up this look a little bit more. It like elevates it to the next level, I believe. Because I just felt like it needed something going on with the hairline a little bit, with the two buns. I don't know. But here I am, and this is where I added in my baby hairs to the side. You see how I just spice it up a little bit more. So you can do with or without, it's up to you. But I definitely love the way this look turned out. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Honey, this is really freaking cute, and these little bun things just match the hair so perfectly.